Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to be teaching you how you can remove background of a photo on Photoshop. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First, all you're gonna have to do is select this tool, which is called the quick selection tool, as you can see. And finally, once you have selected that, you can go ahead up here and then make the size of the brush a little smaller, as you can see. And now if you want to go ahead and remove the background of a object, you're simply gonna go ahead and press Control on your Windows or Command on your Mac, and then press plus or minus it depends on if you want to zoom in or zoom out. So when I zoom in, if I hold space, I can simply move around, as you can see. So with this tool, now I'm going to select the subject that I want out of the image itself, as you can see. And it doesn't really matter, just select normally, you know what I mean? It doesn't have to be perfect. And once you have selected, and if you have these errors on the photo, you can simply on the top here click on the minus right over here, and what that will do is now you can go ahead and subtract the selection that you didn't want to make on the first place. And if you simply just play around with it for a few minutes, you'll get the hang of it, as you can see. And finally, once you think you have done good enough, you're simply going to right click on the image and simply click on layer via cut. As you can see, once you have done that, you have separated the object from the background. And now simply, if you want to go ahead and remove the background, go ahead and click on the background layer and just press delete. And there you go, there you have the subject and the background is totally gone, and you can simply export it like this. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe and hit that like button. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.